Pronunciation zoo, mouth position. For Z, teeth close together, tongue near upper teeth, voice on vibration. For U, lips rounded and pushed forward, tongue high and back. Read and speak. Zoo. Practice. Say 3 times. Zoo, zoo, zoo. Remember, oo, long to sound, lips rounded. Speak the sentence. This is a zoo. Practice daily and become fluent in English.